Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into KLA's recently released earnings report for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. KLA has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. KLA reported total revenues of $3.08 billion, which is at the upper end of their guidance range. John, what does this tell us about their performance?
It indicates strong execution despite challenges, such as new U.S. government export controls. The revenue growth outperformed expectations, showcasing KLA's robust market position and demand for their solutions.
And what about profitability? The adjusted EPS came in at 8.20 cents, surpassing the forecast of 7.73. How did they achieve this?
The adjusted EPS was bolstered by strong operational efficiencies and a focus on high-margin products. However, the GAAP EPS was impacted by a significant $239 million impairment charge, which affected the bottom line.
Cash flow and capital returns. Moving on to cash flow, KLA reported operating cash flow of $849.5 million and free cash flow of $757.2 million. How does this reflect on their financial health?
These figures highlight KLA's strong cash generation capabilities, which are crucial for funding future growth and returning value to shareholders. The free cash flow, in particular, underscores their ability to maintain liquidity while investing in the business.
Speaking of returning value, KLA returned $876.9 million to shareholders this quarter. What does this say about their capital allocation strategy?
It shows a commitment to rewarding shareholders through dividends and stock repurchases, which is a positive signal of confidence in their long-term prospects.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, KLA's CEO mentioned the momentum in AI and high-performance computing investments. How is this shaping their growth strategy?
KLA's focus on AI and HPC is strategic, as these areas are seeing significant investment and demand. Their differentiated portfolio aligns well with these trends, positioning them to capitalize on the growing complexity and size of semiconductor devices.
And how have they managed the recent export controls?
Despite the challenges posed by new export controls, KLA has navigated these effectively, maintaining strong revenue growth and profitability, which speaks to their operational resilience and strategic foresight.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, KLA has provided guidance for the third quarter. What are the key figures investors should be aware of?
For Q3, KLA expects revenues to be around $3 billion, with a GAAP EPS range of 7.77 and a non-GAAP EPS range of 8.5 cents. This guidance reflects their confidence in sustaining growth and managing costs effectively.
What should investors keep an eye on as we move into the next quarter?
Investors should watch how KLA continues to navigate geopolitical challenges and leverage their strong market position in AI and HPC to drive growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, KLA has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with impressive revenue and EPS figures, robust cash flow, and significant capital returns. John, any final thoughts on KLA's investment prospects?
KLA's strategic focus on AI and HPC, coupled with their strong financials, makes them a compelling investment opportunity. However, investors should remain mindful of external risks, such as export controls.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on KLA's performance in the comments below.